Hi, welcome to MahJongg class. Today I'm going to show you the new 2020 MahJongTime web page. It's a great way to practice getting to know the new card. So first start off by logging in to MahJongTime. Put your player name and your password in and click Go. Currently, this is the new screen that they're using. If you do not care for that, you can go to a simpler screen by clicking on Settings on the right-hand side and clicking Graphic Settings. You can change your background. You can customize your table settings, disable animation, which I think we're going to do, and I think that's how you get rid of the hands. Let's see if this works. So here it says we switched to the 2020 card. So this is my first time playing on here with the new 2020 card. You're going to close the window. You're going to go to up on the left-hand side over here. You can click on Games. And right here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one is National Mahjong card. You can click on that. And now we're in that particular Mahjong style. These are all the people playing in different rooms. Now what I wanted to show you today is this is where you could play. So I'm in Fun Games. It's highlighted in yellow or orange, and I'm in the new card. This is where you can play when you've gotten up to speed on the new card with your friends. However, what I wanted to show you today is come play at Mahjong School, which is over here on the left-hand side. Click on that. And each of these game name is for each of the sections of the card. And when you click on it, it only deals the tiles for those in that section. So let's start with 2020. So I'm clicking on 2020. There's 3 players in there, but if you look all the way over to here, they're bots. They're make pretend players. So you're not playing against anybody with the computer. So click Join. And if you see now, I don't have that table with the hands. So this is myself and the 3 robots. And the game is beginning. It deals out the tiles just like we would in a regular game. It's already all set up. So here are your tiles. Here on the right side, you can arrange your tiles in categories. And now you can move your tiles around and figure out what category you're playing. So the strength of my hands is 3s and 5s, which would bring me to odds. I'm going to get rid of my evens and a west. Now it's not great that I'm passing the 2s, but at this point I either want to play odds or I'm going to play consecutive run the first hand. So I'd rather get rid of the 2s and the west than anything else in my hand. The green dragon matches my suit. So now I clicked on all 3 tiles. For your first right, you're going to exchange tiles and you're going to wait for everybody else to do so. Then they will shuffle them and you will get 3 new tiles. So now I got all the same suit again. So I have 3, 5, and 1s in pairs. So I think I'm going to play the second hand down in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 or the third hand down. So I'm going to get rid of the evens and keep with all the odd numbers. In consecutive run, I don't want to play that because I need my pairs of 1s and pairs of 2s, and I did not have that, and I don't like playing that from the beginning. Now I got a pair of 9s. I'm going to get rid of the 6, the 8, and my 1 dot. And you keep just clicking on them, exchanging. It'll go through the whole Charleston, and this is the first left. Now it asks you if you like to continue with the Charleston. I should back up. I could have done a blind pass also. You just click on 2 tiles and hit yes to exchange, and it'll just take your 2 tiles. But now we're up to the second left, so it's asking me if I like to continue with the Charleston, so I'm going to say yes. I'm going to get rid of my evens again. You do have to wait for everybody to say yes before it'll let you do your second left. Evens came back again. Going to get rid of them again. I did get an odd, but I'm collecting bams at this point. I could keep the 1, 3 if I wanted to play 1, 3, 3, 5. That's the third hand down. I'm only going to, well, I'll exchange 3. I don't think I'm going to play with the 9s, so I'll exchange 3. So I'm getting rid of the 2, 5, and 9. Trying to work with my multiple of pairs because this game is about multiples. And I got my odds back. So now I have some great discards. So if you look in the left-hand side here, it is my turn to go. So I'm just going to click on a tile to discard.
6 bamboos.
The person to my right will go. It tells you
2
right
bamboos.
here. Then this person will go.
9 bamboos.
6 bamboos.
Got a 1 bam. I'm going to get rid of this 8 and keep the 1 bam. It'll slide into the position.
8 bamboos.
You can rearrange your tiles.
8 bamboos.
You can move them around. I think I have this in my settings. Let me just check.
2 characters.
I'm just going to move around. I'm keeping my discards to the right.
8 bamboos.
I don't want that 2 dots. I'm going to click on it.
2 dots.
In the beginning, if you
3
wanted
dots.
to change the ability to move your tiles, you have to go to settings. I can't do that in the middle of a game. On the right-hand side, it shows you the tiles
Red
that are
dragon.
available. This is my recording. So you can see if it's been discarded and how many are left. So here are the 5 cracks. There's 1 been discarded and 3 are available. Or it could mean that it's in your hand. The reason why this is highlighted means that somebody might be claiming it.
6 characters.
Or has another one that they could claim it for a pung, kong, or queen. If you hover over each tile, it will tell you if it was discarded or not also. I don't need that. We're just collecting the lower range of odds.
7 bamboos.
So when I play, I collect the whole category regardless of
2 characters.
So I'm playing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odds, lower half. So anytime
3
I get
dots.
a 1, 3, or 5, or a dragon, I will keep it.
1 bamboo.
Now it's asking me if I would like to call that 1 bam. I haven't decided what I'm playing yet. I'm going to pass because that's the first one that came out. There might be, if I click over here, you can see there's
2
1 discarded,
dots.
1 available, so I'm going to wait. So now they have
4
a 7
dots.
dot up here with, when it's highlighted in white like that, means that that is a joker. So if you
7
get the
dots.
7 dot, oh, they just exchanged it.
4 characters.
You can click on it and exchange. I was hoping I would get it. The joker I got, so I'm going to get
4
rid of
characters.
4 crack. I did receive a joker. You can click on the joker left side and you can define the joker.
9 characters.
So if I want to use it specifically for the green dragon, I can do that. If I don't want to do that, I can leave it as just a joker sitting there.
Kong.
And wait
4
on it.
dots.
So I haven't made a decision yet what hand I'm playing.
1
I'm between
bamboo.
2 hands. Between the third hand and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 bamboo. So I have to make a decision. Either hand would be fine. I'm going to pass until I get more tiles. I would have to use this joker though, and my
5 dots.
if I just 1 bamboo if I decide.
5 dots.
So anyway, I'm playing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Third hand down, or 1, 2, 3, sixth hand down. Now that I got that additional
1 character.
3, I still have to decide which way I'm going. 1 crack. I think I'll grab that. So you just click pung, and it'll pick up the pungs. So now I'm committed to the second hand.
Green dragon.
And I am set. I am actually ready to call for each one. I will call for the 3 cracks. I need a pung of them. I need
7
a pung
characters.
of 3 bams and a kong
3
of 5
bamboos.
bams. I will call for that.
Kong.
Please make sure you know which you need is a kong or pung. I don't need these 1 bams anymore.
1 bamboo.
6 characters. 9 characters.
4 bamboos.
I don't need the 2 dot, nor can I exchange it anywhere. Just take a quick peek and then get rid of it.
2 dots.
So right now you aren't
3
able
dots.
to tell what hand they're playing because they only have out one
6
grouping.
dots.
Once they put out a second grouping, we'll try to figure out their hands. It's very hard this year with the card to figure out everyone's
8
hands.
dots.
Thought we were playing the 2020 section, but I might have missed that. They gave us the tiles for 2020.
7
but we
bamboos.
changed our section and we're playing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
4 dots.
5 bamboos.
I'm going to call that even though that's the first one out because I only
Kong.
need 1 tile for MahJongg.
1 bamboo.
5 dots. 8 dots.
So I'm either looking for a west to exchange to get the joker. I'm looking for a joker
5
or a
bamboos.
3 crack.
Seven dots.
You have a good chance of getting the 3 crack. It's not out yet. See, it says 3 crack
6
still
characters.
available. Although nobody's probably going to throw it, but these are robots, so I don't know how they're programmed. But hopefully we get it ourselves. Oh, I must have missed it.
5
Somebody exchanged for
characters.
my 5 bam, I guess. Missed that.
Plum.
Yay, I won. I got the joker. I do not have to declare it. I just have to click I got MahJongg. So again, the hand I was playing is the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the third hand down. So it shows you my points that I received. I got 150 points. You can click on to view the hand of the person around the table. So remember, this is against the robots, so these aren't actual people playing, it is the machine, so I'm not sure how they're set up to play when you're in the practice table. If we were in a real table, you would actually see real hands being developed here. At this point, there are none. So you can play again, you just click in the center here, or you can exit this table, which is right here on the bottom right. So I'm going to exit it. And it brings me back fun games and the new card. I want to be in MahJongg School, so make sure you click on that. And then I can pick any other table I want to play. And you just click on it and join. But I wanted to show you here in the settings, you can again change your game settings where you can move the tiles yourself. They have auto arrange tiles. I have it clicked off. I'm able to move them myself. So maybe you want to be able to do that. It's up to you how you want to play. But play around with this, and this is what the great thing is about the MahJongg School, is to be able to learn the card because of the different categories here. And also you can do fun free practice tables where they give you random tiles. I think we were playing in a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 table. So if I wanted to try another section, I would pick 2, 4, 6, 8 and click join, and it would bring up the table again. You can take lessons from me at MahJongg Class, or check me out on Facebook or my webpage, MahJongg Class. If you like this video,